students, welcome back to my channel. I am Ms. Samandeep Kaur. I am back with math subject of 5th class. Lesson 2, Fundamental Operations on Numbers, exercise 2.7. This is third part. Now, solve the following and verify. So, we have already done the division and verification. So, similarly, we will do these sums. First is 760 divided by 12. So, here 12 6 are 72. Now 76 minus 72 gives us 4. Now 0 comes down, so it becomes 40. Now 12 3s are 36. Now 40 minus 36 gives us 4 remainder. So let's verify. So now let's multiply quotient and divisor. 63 multiplied by 12. Now 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12, right? Now 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 6 is 6. So let's add 6, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7. Now let's add remainder, which is 4. Now 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carried, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 7. So here dividend is same, so it is verified. B part is 550 divided by 14. Now 14 3s are 42. 55 minus 42 gives us 13. 0 comes down with 13. It becomes 130. 49s are 126. 130 minus 126 gives us 4 remainder. Now verification. Let's multiply quotient and divisor. So 39 multiplied by 14. 4 9s are 36. 3 carried. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Now 1 into 9 is 9. 1 into 3 is 3. So let's add 6. 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 carried. 1 plus 3 is 5. Now let's add remainder. R is equal to 4. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carried. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 alone. So from here dividend is same. So it is verified. C part is 894 divided by 21. So here 21 4s are 84. Now 89 minus 84 gives us 5. So 4 comes down with 5. It becomes 54. Now 21 2s are 42. 54 minus 42 gives us 12 remainder. So verification. So now let's verify. We will multiply quotient and divisor. Now 42 multiplied by 21. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. Let's add 2. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 alone. So let's add remainder to it. Plus 12. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 8 alone. So here dividend is same. So it is verified. D part is 913 divided by 19. So now 19 4s are 76. 91 minus 76 gives us 15. 3 comes down with 15. It becomes 153. Now 153 minus 152 because 19 8s are 152. So it gives us 1 remainder. So now verification. Here let's multiply quotients and divisor. Now 48 multiplied by 19. 9 into 8 is 72. 7 carried. 9 into 4 is 36 plus 7 is 43. Now 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 4 is 4. So let's add 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 carried. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. So let's add remainder, which is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 9. This is 913. So here dividend is same. So it is verified. E part is 826 divided by 25. So now 25 3s are 75. Now 82 minus 75 gives us 7. 6 comes with 7, right? So here it becomes 76. Now 25 3s are 75. 76 minus 75 gives us 1 remainder. So now verification. Let's multiply quotients and divisor, right? 33 multiplied by 25. 5 into 3 is 15. 1 carried. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Let's add 5. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 carried. 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. Let's add remainder. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2, 8. So 826, which is dividend. So dividend is same. It is verified. If part is 7645 divided by 24. So here 24 threes are 72. 76 minus 72 gives us 4. Now 4 comes down with 4. It becomes 44. Now 24 ones are 24. So 44 minus 24 gives us 20. 5 comes down with 20. It becomes 205. So now 24 eights are 192. So now 205 minus 192 gives us 13 remainder. Now verification. Let's multiply quotient and divisor. 318 multiplied by 24. Now 4 into 8 is 32. 3 carried. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 into 3 is 12. So 2 into 8 is 16. 1 carried. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carried. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So let's add remainder. So let's add 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6, 7. So from here dividend is same, right? So it is verified. G part is 89,781 divided by 9. So here 9 nines are 81. 89 minus 81 gives us 8. 7 comes down with 8. It becomes 87. Now 9 nines are 81. 87 minus 81 gives us 6. 8 comes down with 6. It becomes 68. 9 into 7 is 63. 68 minus 63 gives us 5. 1 comes down with 5. It becomes 51. So 9 5 yeah 45. So 51 minus 45 gives us 6 remainder, right? So now verification. Let's multiply quotient and divisor. 9,975 multiplied by 9. 9 into 5 is 45. 4 carried. 9 into 7 is 63 plus 4 is 67. 6 carried. 9 into 9 is 81 plus 6 is 87. 8 carried. 9 into 9 is 81 plus 8 is 89. So let's add remainder to it, which is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 carried. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7, 9, 8. So from here dividend is same. So it is verified. H part is 99,999 divided by 80. So now 80 ones are 80. 99 minus 80 gives us 19. 9 comes down with 19. It becomes 199. So 82s are 160. Now 199 minus 160 gives us 39. 9 comes down with 39. It becomes 399. So now 84s are 320. 399 minus 320 gives us 79. 9 comes down with 79. It becomes 799. Now 89s are 720. So 799 minus 720 gives us 79 remainder. So now verification. Let's multiply quotient and divisor. 1249 multiplied by 80. So now let's multiply 1249 and 8. We will add 0 in the answer, right? As it is. So now 8 nines are 72. 7 carried. 8 into 4 is 32 plus 7 is 39. 3 carried. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 3 is 19. 1 carried. 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 9. So let's add remainder, which is 79. So you can see that I have added 0 to the answer as it is, right? So let's add 79. 0 plus 9 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9, 9, 9. So from here dividend is same. So this is verified. I 82,525 divided by 75. So now 75 ones are 75. 82 minus 75 gives us 7. 5 comes down with 7, it becomes 75. 75 ones are 75. So 75 minus 75 gives us 0. Now here 25 is remainder. So you can see 75 minus 75 gives us 0. So this 0 added to the quotient. And next we are taking two digits down, right? Simultaneously, that's why we have added one more 0. So it gives us quotient 1100. So now verification. Let's verify. We will multiply quotient and divisor. 1100 multiplied by 75. So you can see these two zeros with 11 we will add in the answer as it is at the right hand side. So let's multiply 11 and 75. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. Now 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 1 is 7. So let's add 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 carried, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now we will add these two zeros at right hand side, right? So let's add remainder to it, which is 25. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5, 2, 8. So from here dividend is same. So this is verified. J part, 70,008 divided by 14. So from here 14 fives are 70. 70 minus 70 gives us 0. So here you can see that 70 minus 70 is 0, which is remainder, but rest of the three digits we are not using. These are written as remainder. So these three zeros will be added to the quotient, right? So quotient is 5000. So verification, 5000 multiplied by 14. So we will add these three zeros in the answer at right hand side. So let's multiply 5 and 14. We know 14 fives are 70, so it gives 70,000. So let's add remainder to it, which is 8. So let's add 0 plus 8 is 8. 0, 0, 0, 7. So from here dividend is same. So it is verified. K part is 50,205 divided by 15. So let's write 15 threes are 45. 50 minus 45 gives us 5. 2 comes down with 5. It becomes 52. So now 15 threes are 45. 52 minus 45 gives us 7. 0 comes down with 7. It becomes 70. Now 15 fours are 60. 70 minus 60 gives us 10. 5 comes down with 10. So it becomes 105. So now 15 sevens are 105. 105 minus 105 gives us 0 remainder. So now verification, quotient 3347 multiplied by divisor 15. Now 5 sevens are 35. 3 carried. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. 2 carried. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. 1 carried. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 1 16. Now 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3. So let's add 5. 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 carried, 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12, 1 carried, 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10, 1 carried, 3 plus 1 is 5. So now let's add remainder, which is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5, 0, 2, 0, 5. So from here dividend is same. So it is verified. L part is 16,258 divided by 36. Now 36 fours are 144. Now 162 minus 144 gives us 18. Right? 5 comes down with 18. It becomes 185. So now 36 fives are 180. 185 minus 180 gives us 5. 8 comes down with 5. It becomes 58. Now 36 ones are 36. 58 minus 36 gives us 22 remainder. Now verification, quotient 451 multiplied by 36. So let's multiply. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 3 carried. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 3 is 27. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 5 is 15. 1 carried. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1 13. So let's add 6. 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carried. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1. Right? So let's say remainder, which is 22. So now 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2, 6 and 1. So you can see 16,258, which is dividend, it is same. So this is verified. Now M part is 96,000 divided by 50. So let's start. Now 15 ones are 50. 96 minus 50 gives us 46. 0 comes down with 46. It becomes 460. Now 59s are 450. Now 460 minus 450 gives us 10. 0 comes down with 10. It becomes 100. Now 52s are 100. 100 minus 100 gives us 0 remainder. So right. And last 0 we will add to the quotient because we have not used it, right? So it gives us quotient 1920. So verification, let's multiply quotient and divisor. Now we will add these two zeros at right hand side of the answer. Now let's multiply 192 and 5. So 5 twos are 10, 1 carried. 5 into 9 is 45 plus 1 46, 4 carried. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 4 9. So it gives 96,000. We know remainder is 0. So when we add 0 to any number, it gives the number itself. So from here dividend is same, so it is verified. N part is 45,457 divided by 35. So let's divide. Now 35 ones are 35. 45 minus 35 gives us 10. 4 comes down with 10. It becomes 104. Now 35 twos are 70. 104 minus 70 gives us 34. 5 comes down with 34 and it becomes 345. Now 35 nines are 315. So let's subtract 345 and 315. It gives 30 and 7 comes down with 30. It becomes 307. Now 35 eights are 280. Now 307 minus 280 gives us 27 remainder. So now verification. Let's verify. Quotient is 1298 multiplied by 35. So now 5 into 8 is 40. 4 carried. 5 into 9 is 45 plus 4 49. 4 carried. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 carried. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 6. Now 3 into 8 is 24. 2 carried. 3 into 9 is 27 plus 2 29. 2 carried. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 8. 3 into 1 is 3. So let's add 0. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 carried. 4 plus 9 plus 1 is 14. 1 carried. 6 plus 8 plus 1 is 15. 1 carried. 3 plus 1 is 4. So now let's add remainder, which is 27. Right? So now let's add 0 plus 7 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4, 5, 4. So from here dividend is same. So it is verified. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.